just a minute or two. Eating dinner on the ground, big Frisco catfish. I lay awake tonight when I hear the wildcat scream. Till it tells around the campfire right about the girl's head. Take me back off of the big road, send me back to the take me back down from the pop up goes to the gate from Spain. Take me my name, I won't be wrong, get me back as much as I can. Take me back off of the big road. Take me back off of the big road.
Mom, say hello. You're on camera.
Back on the red road.
Did you realize you're on? Mom, you know you're on camera.
Rolling down backwards, Tennessee Valley. One on the wheel. Holding my lover with the other. A sweet, soft, southern thrill. Worked hard all week.
Yes, this is so not my favorite song.
On a Tennessee Saturday night. We'll feel better.
I'm more heavy.
Come together with my Dixie band tonight. Spend my dollar on ten high beneath the mountain moonlight. Hold her up tight, make a little loving, a little tender loving on the Dixon night. Fix my life, oh so right. My Dixie band tonight. Whitetail buck deer, watching on Clover, red-tail hawk, sitting on the way. Shelby old groundhog, broken bulldog, free as feeling in the wind. Homegrown country girl, gonna get me work on a Tennessee Saturday night. Lucky I'm seven, living in heaven with my Dixie band tonight. Spend my dollar, parked in a holler deep mountain. Hold her up tight, make it a little turn. Dixieland.
I feel bad for my daughter when she plays boy, now I know why she likes listening to mommy's music more.
Spend my dollar, walking home, needs my life. Or a child, make it love it. My life, oh so right, my Dixieland. Oh, the backwoods, can see passes. Oh, my lover, with the elder, a sweet soft southern break. We're not all week, I'll let you know on a Tennessee Saturday night. With the river,
And now I know why she always has a headache when she comes
my
up.
Dixieland.
Because she plays the music way too damn loud. The music that should be played loud. Unless it's at a concert. Really good. I mean, they're good. The guy can sing. I mean, he can carry a tune. What happened to my sing?
Fiddle in the band, that lead guitar is hot, but not for Louisiana man. So rosin up that old baby love, and that's all night. If you gonna play in Texas, you gotta have a fiddle in the band. Oh yeah! Way down in Alabama, we were putting on a show when a cowboy in the band stood up and yelled. Said we love what you do. The boys don't get us wrong. There's just something missing in your song. If you gonna play Texas,
Well, I'm not gonna bore you guys with this, but I just figured you should see what me and my daughter like to go through today. Y'all have a great night, YouTube. See ya.